Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best refrigerators that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a compact fridge for your beauty products, a reliable medical refrigerator, or a sleek appliance for your kitchen, we've got something for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the West Bend WBRT 73B apartment refrigerator. The slim and freestanding fridge offers a 7.4 cubic feet capacity, making it a great option for small apartments, offices, or dorms. It features a top-mounted freezer with 1.4 cubic feet of space, adjustable glass shelves, a crisper drawer, and interior LED lighting. The reversible door design adds versatility, while its Energy Star certification ensures it's energy efficient. The design is compact yet functional, with dimensions of 56.75 inches in height, 21.25 inches in width, and 22.5 inches in depth. It's lightweight for its size at 90 pounds, making it relatively easy to move. However, the semi-automatic defrost system may require occasional maintenance, which might not be ideal for everyone. Despite this, the adjustable temperature control and included ice cube tray make it a practical choice. As for value, this fridge is perfect for someone looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise too much on space or functionality. The build quality is solid, and it offers enough features for everyday use. On the downside, the lack of premium materials and limited freezer space might be a deal-breaker for some. Overall, it's a solid option for basic refrigeration needs. At number 4, we have the Summit FF6LWT-BC AccuCold Medical Refrigerator. This unit is purpose-built for medical and general-purpose refrigeration with a compact 5.5 cubic feet capacity. It includes a copper handle for enhanced durability and a keyed lock for added security, making it ideal for storing sensitive items like vaccines or medications. The automatic defrost system and wire shelving make maintenance and organization a breeze. In terms of design, it's compact and freestanding, with a factory reversible door for adaptability in different spaces. The white finish is clean and professional, though it may lack the aesthetic appeal of more modern designs. Weighing in at 100 pounds and standing at 33.5 inches tall, it's a sturdy and reliable option for specialized needs. However, it's not the best fit for those seeking a standard household fridge. This is a fantastic choice for hospitals, clinics, or even home users who need precise temperature control for sensitive items. While it's not the most versatile option, its focus on safety and reliability makes it a standout in its category. The lack of a freezer and the niche design might limit its appeal for general purposes, but it excels in its intended use case. Taking the number 3 spot is the Summit 24-inch bottom freezer refrigerator model FFBF121W. This Energy Star certified appliance offers 11.7 cubic feet of storage capacity in a slim, counter-depth design. It features 3 adjustable glass shelves, a humidity-controlled crisper drawer, and a bottom freezer with 3 slide-out drawers for easy organization. The digital temperature control panel inside the fridge adds a modern touch. The build quality is impressive, with a clean white finish and a design that prioritizes space saving. At 73.25 inches tall, 23.5 inches wide, and 25.25 inches deep, it's a great fit for compact kitchens. The frost-free operation and super freeze setting are standout features for maintaining food freshness. However, it weighs 165 pounds, making it less portable. Ideal for small households or those wanting an energy-efficient and sleek refrigerator, this unit balances style and functionality. The Super Freeze feature is particularly useful for quickly cooling fresh groceries. On the downside, it doesn't include the paneling for a fully integrated look, which may require additional customization. Overall, it's a smart investment for those prioritizing storage efficiency and energy savings. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Paris Hilton Mini Refrigerator and Personal Beauty Fridge. This compact 4-liter fridge is as stylish as it is functional, featuring a mirrored door with a dimmable LED light. It's designed to keep your cosmetics, skincare products, and even drinks at the perfect temperature. The thermoelectric cooling and warming function adds versatility, making it great for everything from chilled serums to warm facial towels. The design is undeniably chic, with a glossy white finish and compact dimensions of 9.3 by 7 by 10 inches. It includes a removable shelf and door pocket for easy organization, and the built-in carry handle makes it portable. Weighing just 5.19 pounds, it's a lightweight and convenient option for dorms, vanities, or even your car, thanks to the included DC cord. This fridge is perfect for beauty enthusiasts or anyone who needs a small, stylish cooling solution. The mirror door doubles as a makeup mirror, making it a great addition to your vanity. However, its limited capacity and niche focus mean it's not suitable for general food storage. With its combination of style, portability, and affordability, it's no wonder this fridge is our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.